Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, Miss Ami. Let's introduce ourselves. We are Group 6 from the Science Education Study Program, 4th semester. Today, we would like to present a brief explanation about the critical appraisal of a research article. The article we will be discussing is titled The Correlation of Digital Literacy and STEM Integration to Improve Indonesians' Student Skill in the 21st Century. Our group consists of 3 presenters. The first presenter is myself, Siti Nazila Anwar, followed by the second presenter, Rani Sumiati Hasana, and the third presenter, Abdul Mukti. To make the most of our time, let's get started with the explanation. This is the first slide of our article analysis. In a research article, there are several common structures such as the title, abstract, introduction, and others. Research title is the correlation of digital literacy and STEM integration to improve Indonesian students' skill in 21st century. Translate-nya yaitu korelasi literasi digital dan integrasi STEM untuk meningkatkan keterampilan abad 21 siswa Indonesia. Next slide. The abstract covers all the key components that have been previously explained. It includes several important parts such as the background, purpose, method, result, and conclusion. However, I will only explain briefly. The dynamic development of human life in the 21st century demands students to innovate in the field of education. Students are required to have 21st century skills, namely creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. The teachers are also expected to master 6 essential competencies, such as content knowledge, technological competence, and other. The article discusses how to improve both teachers and students' abilities in mastering 21st century skills. It also explores to what extent digital literacy and STEM integration play a role in enhancing these 21st century skills. Okay, the next slide will be presented by the second presenter, Rani Sumiati Hasana. The time is yours.
Thank you, Siti Nazila. The next is introduction. What the is topic is challenge of technology-based knowledge. What are the issues? First, limited mastery of information and communication technology or ICT in education. Second, the importance of curriculum adjustment in education. Third, the need for an interdisciplinary or STEM approach and enhancement of teacher competency. The next topic is method. This study uses qualitative research, data collection is literature review from books, journal, academic papers, or another scientific literature. Data analysis is inductive approach grounded theory development. The next is result and discussion or finding and discussion. What are the results of the article? First, technology in human life. Uh, Technology advance in the field of communication have both positive and negative side. On the positive side, people are more efficient at sending message, and it is easier to find the latest source of information. On negative side, keep communication away from those close to them. Second, technology skill. The driving force for meeting the need of 21st century skill while acquiring 21st century digital skill. Third, 21st century digital skill. Indicator of 21st century skill generally consists of 3 groups. First, life and career. Second, learning and innovation skill. Third, information media and technology skill. Information media and technology skill include information literacy, media literacy, and information and communication technology literacy. The next is relationship between digital skill. The workforce needs to develop 21st century digital skill to keep up with the dynamic development of society.
Okay, thank you, Tehrani. The next slide will be presented by the third presenter, Abdul Mugni. The time is yours.
Okay, I will continue. Consider what is the cost of the research. So, based on the study in academic the digital complex is the improvement, but it is not the only main uh, factor is study the mystery of 20 country skills. Teacher also have a big role, especially in the improving teaching skill and the integrating technology into learning so that student can master skill such as collaboration, information management, and independent learning. In addition, STEM learning combined with digital literacy has proven effective in developing the student thinking and the logic skill in accordance with the objective of the education curriculum in Indonesia. Finally, further research is still needed in its goal to see impact to digital literacy and optimize the implementation this time according to the on the news of the school. Okay, and there consider section the is bibliography of the ethical print to see and observe. If it is observed and I will return if the moderator. What the refresh. Okay, there is a bibliography of article friend can see and observe. Is observed in the return the moderator.
Okay, thank you to the third presenter. The next slide is what your group think of the research. The topic, in our opinion, the topic of the research is very good because it discusses digital literacy and STEM integration, which are highly relevant in today's education system. In the era of the Industrial Revolution, 4.0 students are required to master not only academic knowledge but also digital and interdisciplinary skills to compete globally. The language. We think the language used in this article is quite easy to understand for use as university students. The terms used are mostly academic, but they are present clearly with good explanation, making it easier to follow the discussion. The next slide. Part of the research checklist. This is part of the research checklist. There is only one component that is missing or not included in the checklist, which is the literature review or theoretical framework. Next slide. Do your group recommend you to read the research? Yes, we recommend you to read the article. Okay, thank you to all the presenters who have explained the material. We hope that what we have present is clear and beneficial. Thank you for your attention and your time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.